another video, CDS game. And I guess y'all know what this video is going to be about. If y'all can read the thing at the bottom, it's going to be, it was supposed to be on boxes, but you see it's not in the box. And don't mind this box, this was something else too. It's for this, but I'm going to show you about it. But about to pack this packet, okay? I was about to say unbox, but this is a packet. I should say unbox stuff. I don't know. So I've been waiting for this to come. I've been ready to do a video on it. And I got my phone charger over here for a reason too, so y'all can see it. So the phone charger, I need this too, so I can show y'all how this thing gonna work. Right now, I need some scissors so I can cut this away. Let me get some scissors. Oop. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all need these when you unbox or something. You know, unpacking. I'll just keep on saying unboxing. It's supposed to be in the box, so. I don't cut nothing that I'm supposed to cut. It's like liking myself in the box. I hope y'all can hear me. Keep y'all talk quiet sometimes. Okay. Let's go with the packet too, but first off. This is the new, well, it's not new. It's new to me. My new shoulder bag. You know how people have fanny packs? When they carry around their waist and boards be having right there and stuff. I'm doing something different. I'm doing my own thing. And this is how we're gonna go. Wait. We're gonna do this. Y'all don't know how I do this. Wait. Don't mind me. Oh God, help me. I think I'm gonna do it like this. This one boy had it on Amazon. I think this is the way how he had it on. See, y'all see the person on Amazon, how he had his on. So this is how I got how to do it, but I think this is how I done the shuttle wear it. But the best thing about this soda bag, it's a fanny pack, but it's a soda bag too for guys, and yeah. You can charge your phone with it. It's this piece right here that you stick your phone in. You can charge your phone with it. So they will show you that too. You can put this cord up in this little spot right here. Oh, because I said you can charge your phone with it. So I try to find out what the thing is. Y'all help me. I think it's inside of it. Might be, might not. Okay, y'all, look gave me this. I don't know how this thing's supposed to work. So help me with it. Okay, you're supposed to sit the piece right here. No. All this work for a dang video? Yes. Yeah, you know, that's all. Because I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for it. Dang. Just know you can charge your phone up to it. Y'all can see the spot right here where you can charge your phone up to it. Gone got time. Very about it. I'm gonna try again. This thing take forever. It's not wasting the whole video so I can put this thing on. I'm about to be mad. Okay, this side I want to go back in real good, but I got it in. Don't mind me, I got it in. So the cord is in the spot. I think I'm supposed to charge it because it's not working. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to charge it because it's not working right now. I don't know what to do.
You forgot to put my clothes in the dryer.
So, stick this inside of it. And I ordered the waterproof stickers right here. It's the best waterproof stickers because I'm gonna decorate this bed and not gonna just be looking like this. We got a YouTube sticker in here. I might put the YouTube sticker right here because I do YouTube, so the YouTube sticker might be right here. Okay. Oh my God. y'all see, it's supposed to be 100 stickers. Y'all see how many stickers it is? Right now, wow. It's more. You know, so it's a bunch of stickers. Oh, I know that I'm about to hit that YouTube one. I can't find it. God. No, really can't mess me up. That's the YouTube one. I really need a YouTube one. And I got the YouTube one, y'all. The YouTube sticker. So I'm about to decorate my bed. I'm about to be gonna be fancy and stuff. I think I'm about to put the YouTube sticker right here. On the front of it, if it fits. If it fits. Yeah, you got to put the thing off of it. And that's how I can get the thing off of it because whoopsie. Put the thing off of it. Somebody. Fit good. What y'all think? What y'all think? Hey. What stickers y'all put on here? I don't want to do a bunch of stickers that gonna make it tacky. We got Red Bull. I don't drink no Red Bull. We got those shoes, those Nike shoes right here. Y'all see Nike shoes with all the blue skipper. No. This how y'all know I love this stuff because I will not be sitting right here. Try to find those things you can see for. Had to pop my neck. Now another thing sticking on here because I saw it on the other packaging thing. And that really about to make me get mad. Yeah. I was talking about this sticker. Everybody knows what this sticker is. Y'all see that? Y'all know when y'all get something new in the bad second, like you didn't want to say straight. That stuff to get on my nerves. How long was this video again? 14 minutes because I was trying to find out the thing up. See there's somebody. y'all don't mind me, I cut my fingernails. Okay, I gotta open. Whew. I was supposed to get this done early today, but I stayed all night trying to help my sister get ready for her Girls' Day camp thing. And this packing being here all day, but I failed to see. I was like, no. I need something to drink. I got 2 diamonds, but I don't know which one to use. That's the crazy thing about it. I got some more nice stickers. I'm gonna use this one right here. Put this one right here. Y'all not really gonna see it. It's obviously gonna be covered up, but y'all see that. And then I got that YouTube sticker. But it's gonna be covered up like that. I think I'm only gonna do 3 stickers. This one, this one, this one. Cause I want my stuff to look tacky. I do got a bunch of stickers there. I got the Jordan Men stickers there and stuff. So if y'all want me to do a giveaway on some waterproof stickers, let me know. If y'all want me to do a giveaway on some waterproof stickers. So in this box, there's some stuff that I was about to show y'all that I was about to put in my bed, like my tripod. I can put this in there. I can put my sunglasses in there. I can put my my other camera. And y'all, we got the head of gum. Put my money in there. Tab in there, my wallet in there. Headphones in there. Ooh. Put your phone in there if you want to. Yes, I got 2 cameras. I know y'all about to say how he got that camera, but he recorded right now. I do got 2 cameras. Let me know if y'all want me to do that giveaway on some free waterproof stickers. What's this? See, I got some good waterproof stickers out here. I always forget her name, Barbara Monterey, wherever her name is, but y'all see. We're about to close out this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Y'all can get all my videos. And we're gonna be back with more videos. Gang, gang, gang.